How to make your tile slip-free. Dear friends, falls account for millions of injuries each year, and many of these falls happen inside the home. Tile floors are attractive and durable, but they can be slippery when they get wet or greasy. If you don't want to cover your tile with rugs to help keep your family safe, use a tile-etching acid solution to add a slip-resistant texture to your tile surfaces. Mop the floor with a mixture of grease-fighting dishwashing liquid and warm water. Use a sponge to get into corners and anywhere the mop can't easily reach. Mop again with clean water to rinse the floor. Let it dry. Put on rubber gloves. The product is a type of acid, so avoid getting it on your skin. Mix the anti-slip solution by shaking the bottle or stirring it with a stir stick. Pour it into a bucket or into the reservoir of a garden sprayer. Apply the solution to your tile using the mop to spread it or the garden sprayer to coat the floor. Make sure all the tile and grout is covered with an even layer of the anti-slip solution. Let the acid solution sit on the floor for 15 minutes. Don't leave it on the floor for much longer than 15 minutes because it will continue to etch the tile. If it sits too long, it could damage your tile. The solution deepens tiny natural grooves on the tile, creating more ridges and deepening existing ridges. Although you can't see the difference, you can feel the difference if you rub a rubber-soled shoe over the top of the tile before you apply the solution and after. The new ridges create more friction, which leads to better traction when you walk on the tile. Rinse the solution off the floor using a mop or garden sprayer with clean water. The water neutralizes the anti-slip solution and stops the etching. Wipe off the floor with a dry mop or towels to remove the diluted solution and water. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.